Everyone has a first of all example has a means mathematical example plus theorem. Directly continue has a non-derivatory. Non-derivative has a degree of a minimal poly and the degree has a chain equation like is same. It means lambda has a 1 2 3. It means the continuity equation means simply of the number has a follow the like a chain like as a continually as number of the numberly series wise the follow. It means non-derivatory. And next has example as a first of all what is the derivatory? Is a 1 and 2 2 is that equation like as more forms as number. Example has another form has a show you 1 3 3 as any number has a all numbers has follow the same number. It means derivatory. But has a continue for example explain that simply to example has a is equal to 1 2 2 0 minus 1 2 2 1 2 as it is the number has given and go to has the first equation means simply of the solving the first step has simply the bracket of a minus of lambda as I as go to the into the x is equal to is equal to 0 is equal to 0 has a firstly is not proper show it's proper show, okay, and continue for that equation go to the simply the multiply by lambda means minus 1 minus lambda and 0 and minus 1 continue as a simply to 2 minus lambda and next has to follow that 2 number and next is a 2 minus lambda as it is the continue for that form x is like this x1 x2 x3 next is equal to 0 0 0 it's like that form achieve it like this. And next for a continue has a next next step means second step has a follow that magnitude of a minus lambda I and magnitude gives equal to 0. Add simply to the next formula is that equation as a put as firstly go to has a firstly that equation is lambda cube minus s1 and means lambda square plus s2 next go to lambda minus a magnitude is equal to 0. Next has the firstly that standard formula as it is the put your a value means simply s value and magnitude of a that's value the put firstly I use for first solve is a s1. So simply first of all use s1 solve simply to it's the elements the standard elements it's a star element explain that the matrix as more like this as that elements has addition is a 1 plus 2 2 it's simply to 5 value give that. Next as simply to the go to your calculator and s2 has how to solve simply first of all you go to I give you the simply the solving as that elements simply 1 and first row and first column has that 2 1 and 2 2 has simply to show you 2 1 2 4 2 2 next is 1 2 sorry I not properly camera manage but continually the 1 2 minus 1 and 2 go to next equation as simply as it is third element and first row and first column and first row as continue that follow that word to 0 means 1 1 2 0 2 as it is the put of your values first is the find your first value is equal to 2 is equal to 4 I just solving that value has a calculator, but more of your less than time I follow that equation. Go to have the next is value is equal to 2, as is equal to firstly find the 8, and like magnitude of magnitude of a you will find simply to the 4 value find. Go to has your calculator and solve like your matrix put, and easily the solving that equation. Go to for a next form, third form means third step. Third step has continually third step is simply is equal to lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2, and sigma bracket of lambda and is equal to lambda 2 minus 3 lambda and plus 2, and next has lambda of a, sorry, means lambda naught 2 minutes, lambda naught is a, sorry, lambda naught it's lambda, as it is the equation has a put of the lambda to shift the a value, okay, as the sigma as a bracket of a as is equal to a square minus 3 a plus 2 I. Next is the value put, and go to has a simply to the explain has a value well of the equations, as go to as a firstly is equal to as a bracket, has a bracket, go to has your the value it's a square, means that's value, it means that's value simply to like a square give, means it means a square in go to your calculator and put as it is the value is given that you will follow, as go to the that value as the firstly find minus 1 10 8, and next has a minus 1 6 4 6 and 4, and minus 3 6 4, and next has a continue next value put minus 3a. Minus 3a is explained for as it is a value put, I just as it is put, and firstly 0 to 1 minus 1 2 2, sorry, that put is value, next plus 2, and next has as it is your 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 as it is put. Next go to that equation has a step, next step has as it is continue for equation, go to for next step, but it's not properly solved. Firstly go to it's like another form, the lambda is equal to 1 2 2, it's given that value, but another form as solving like this, lambda has given that equation has given the like is form, but sigma by bracket of a is equal to has a lambda of 3 minus 5 I am directly solved, but another has a deeply has an example has a due to lambda by minus 1 and bracket of lambda minus 2, and next has the same value lambda by minus 2, that equation has a directly multiply by, and I given that form as a simply to the explain for that value is firstly go to that equation has a directly put a formula and 8 lambda and minus of 4, and that is the equation of the given that for you, as firstly next for a sigma means rho, another two from the say you sigma and rho, like a sigma sorry, it's another form, I not continue for that, is equal to next is a cube minus 5 a square plus 8 a minus 4i, sorry, it's not 4, it's 4i, and that's continue, and directly that's a and I, and firstly the identical matrix put that, and a value has as it is, that put this a value like this, a, it's a cube put. Firstly I go to directly calculating the 5 back time, that equation has simply to the put a traditional form, but I solve that calculator. I put the my back of equations, put as it is 9, 34, 24, minus 5, 80, and 12, next minus 7, and 14, 8. Is how to solve. Firstly has a value, go to your a value, and next you as simply to go to that values, I just put as it is, go to your mode, and mode has a directly 2, and next shift directly matrix, and your value put that past time. I put the every values as a shift cube, sorry I not 1 minute, sorry, just calculate as a not a value put, that I just all clean, but written as a value put. And first of all explain has calculate how to solve square. Example has a first a, simply to shift cube, and simply is equal to, sorry, a cube shift, yeah, sorry, just time waste. First of all sorry, your time waste for that equation. I simply go to bracket, give that a value, put a 1 and 2 2, 0 2 1, next has minus 1 2 2, as next value same plus 8, and bracket of same value 1 2 2, 0 2 1, minus 1 2 2, as it is put, and next value has simply minus 4, as identical matrix, simply I value, simply the 1 0 0, next 0 1 0, and 0 0 1, at that value put. And finally next for a check for that equation, it's not same, yeah same. Firstly go to a row, yeah sigma, you put you like x put, next x cube minus 5x square plus 8x minus 4. It means that value has a similar like this form, yeah lambda form, as it is put like this, the lambda value, yeah another form, or type a matrix form, that value has the same x value the given that matrix solve, but it's called a same degree. It means has a non derogatory, and that's called that equation has a non-derogatory degree. It's minimal as a poly as and chain like equation, means similar has all for same equation solve, but finally is a same value find degree. As that example as a completed, it's best for example, simply to explain I would try. Thanks for watching my video.